In this video I'm going to show you exactly how I took this trade right here using two free simple indicators on tradingview.com, and make sure you watch the entire video because I'm going to show you step by step and all the settings you're going to need. This is definitely one of my favourite trading strategies for crypto on the 15-minute time frame, and you should definitely backtest this and check this out for yourself. So we're going to head up to indicators up here. I'd like to quickly tell you about TraderEdge. TraderEdge is a website that allows you to track your trades, backtest strategies, calculate position sizes and so much more. Thousands of traders are using TraderEdge to get an edge on the competition. The backtester section allows you to easily track backtesting progress, and it provides a ton of important data. I've used this to backtest all of my strategies shared on the channel. TraderEdge also provides indicators and strategies that you can start using today to become a profitable trader. On top of all of this, TraderEdge is also giving you a step-by-step guide on backtesting worth $100. You'll also receive a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy, which has a value of $240. If you sign up right now, they'll even throw in 4 pre-made high-quality strategies that are worth $100 alone. That's $470 worth of bonuses absolutely free, and they offer a 7-day free trial so you can try it out today completely risk-free. Make sure you click the link in the description to claim your bonuses now, and back to the video. So to start this off, we're going to need some moving averages to determine price trend. So we're going to type in simple 2 EMA Cloud, click that once, double click on the indicator to open its settings. On the style section, we're just going to remove these buy and sell labels right here, and then we're going to go to inputs. We're going to change the slow EMA to 200 and the fast EMA to 50. It uses the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA to determine where price is going and the trend of the market. So when the 50 EMA is below the 200, it shows red because we're in a downtrend, and when the 50 EMA is above the 200, it shows green lines. This is to indicate an uptrend. We're going to be using this free indicator as our overall trend direction. So the second indicator we're going to add, come up here again, and we're going to type in trend meter, and it's this trend meter here. Again, you want to double click on the indicator to enter its settings. We're going to leave all the trend meter inputs exactly the same, and we're going to head over to style, and we're going to remove signal 1. These bottom 4 sections here, you can see we have thin line, thick line, thin line, thick line. We're going to leave the thick lines as they are, but for the thin lines, we're going to change them from lines to circles. So you click in this box here, and we're going to go down to circle. Do that again for the other thin line here, and click OK. This is a very simple strategy to use, and I'm now going to show you exactly how to take entries. So you can see here that the EMA Cloud was red, and then right here there was a cross for the 50 and the 200 EMA, so the lines went from red to green to indicate we're now in an uptrend and only looking for buys. Now that the EMAs are changed to green, we'll now be using the trend meter down here to spot for buy signals. For taking a buy entry, we want to see 6 green dots. We can see the cross happened here and we had 3 reds. Price was still moving downward. Now we can see we had a green dot here that lined up with the EMAs, but we only had 4 green dots and the 2 bottom dots were still red, so this wasn't valid. But then straight after, on this little green candle here, we had all 6 dots paint green, so it was safe to enter a trade. So we'd enter a long position on the close of this green candle here. Put your stop loss at the recent swing low, and we'll be targeting 1.5 times the risk. And there you go. The exact opposite for a sell. You can see that we have the 2 green EMAs here, and then the 50 and the 200 cross. So we are now in a downtrend and only looking for sells. Once this happens, we'll be watching the trend meter again to watch 6 red dots. So this red candle right here would have been our entry signal. So we'd enter a short position on the close of this candle right here. Stop loss again at the recent swing high, and we'll be targeting 1.5 times the risk. This trade did take a little longer to hit over a few candles, but price didn't go anywhere near our stop loss. Okay, so I'm now going to backtest this strategy 100 times on TraderEdge. I'll be using an initial account balance of $5,000. If you want to see those results, please hit the subscribe button, and now let's get into it. Okay, so these are the final results of this strategy. There was a total of 100 trades with 61 wins and 39 losses, taking the account from $5,000 all the way up to $8,378. If you've watched the channel before, you know that I'll use the initial balance as $5,000, as that is the smallest prop firm account that you can get, because what's the point in risking your own money? This is a very good strategy and definitely one of my favourite crypto strategies. Using the free trading view, you could definitely add one more indicator to that strategy. I recommend maybe a volatility indicator or a volume indicator to maybe hash out some more of those losses. If you've enjoyed this video, please definitely click this one, and thanks again for TraderEdge for sponsoring this video.